Hey YouTube. Today I'm going to be figuring out ways to build an e-bike out of this VFX. I'm building an e-bike out of this electric mountain bike. So I'm thinking about making a battery pack right here. All the wiring in the engine goes back here. And then basically the control panel for the electric switching would be right here. So, part 1, introduction to the e-bike build. I'm gonna be using these types of batteries, but like a bigger size of like 10 of these would work. But I need a heavy duty battery. So I'm gonna be building an e-bike out of scratch.